Okay, so in today's video we're going to take a look at the Promix in the blue bag premium organic vegetable and herb mix. So what do I think about Promix in this particular product? Well, first off, the product is nice. It's got a nice texture to it. It has very limited amount of wood. It has a lot of water-soluble nutrients. It gives you a bit of a buffer nutrient-wise, and that's which makes it very easy for somebody who's just getting started, and that's nice. If you were to try to use it in any serious fashion in the garden, it's just too expensive. Price is anywhere from $32 on the low side to $45, $50 on the high side. Pretty expensive, and normally something I wouldn't buy at this price range. They're claiming this is 2 cubic feet, and after it gets wet, it will expand to 4 cubic feet. So I'm going to take them at their word. Probably not the smartest thing, but okay, so let's take a look at the Promix here, the back side of the bag. And it has a guaranteed analysis NPK rating of 0.3, 0.12, 0.1. That's pretty good. Nitrogen, it is claiming that 0.03 total is water soluble and 0.27 is not water soluble nitrogen. That means that it does have some available nitrogen immediately with just water, so that's a good thing. Available phosphoric acid, which is also water soluble, 0.12, and soluble potash, 0.1. Okay, so it's going to have water soluble ingredients that are going to be available without soil life. That's nice, actually. It's claiming to feed up to 3 months and get 20% bigger plants. Now, the person that sold me the product claimed there was no wood product in it. Let's take a look. The texture of the product is quite amazing. Very, very soft and fluffy. This would make an excellent seed starting mix for anything. But the claim that it doesn't have any wood products in there is not true. There is some very not even remotely composted pieces of wood in there, sticks. Now, it's not a lot, and honestly, it isn't going to hurt anything with, being so few, but it does have some pieces of wood in there, which is pretty normal anymore. It is the most expensive product I have tried. It has a nice high quality feel to it. I mean, it's actually pretty amazing as far as that goes. I've never even felt anything close to this as far as, but it does have pieces of wood in there. So don't let anybody tell you that there isn't, because there is. It's just not any huge quantities like you would get into some of the cheaper brands like Miracle Grow or the Whitney Farms, or even the Cedar Grove products. They have more wood in it than this does. It's a nice product. We're going to put it to the test and see how things go. I'm going to be potting up 3 different pepper plants. One's going to be getting Whitney Farms. The other one's going to be getting Cedar Grove's Garden Booster. And the third one is going to be getting Promix. These are the plants. They're all the same type of pepper. They're a Thai pepper. And they're all the same age. So that's what I'm going to do. It would make a great seed starting mix. I mean, a big bag of that would last you probably years. It's not something that I would personally go out of my way to purchase again. If you get something out of the video, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.